Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring 7 exciting emerging technologies that have the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. From healthcare to transportation, these innovations are paving the way for a more advanced and connected future. So without further ado, let's dive in. Segment 1. Quantum computing. Our first technology on the list is quantum computing. Imagine computers that can solve complex problems at an unimaginable speed. Quantum computers leverage the principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways that traditional computers cannot. With applications in fields like cryptography, optimization, and scientific simulations, quantum computing holds immense potential for transforming various industries. Segment 2. Augmented reality, AR. Next up, we have augmented reality, or AR. Our technology overlays digital information and virtual objects onto the real world, enhancing our perception and interaction with our surroundings. From mobile games to smart glasses, AR has already made an impact. But its future applications are even more exciting, with potential uses in education, healthcare, and design, allowing us to seamlessly merge the virtual and real world. Segment 3. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles, also known as self-driving cars, are rapidly advancing in technology. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate without human intervention. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are at the forefront of this technology. The benefits of autonomous vehicles include improved road safety, reduced traffic congestion, and increased accessibility. However, there are still challenges to overcome, such as regulatory frameworks and public acceptance. Segment 4. Gene editing, CRISPR-Cas9. Gene editing using CRISPR-Cas9 is our next groundbreaking technology. It allows scientists to precisely modify genes, opening up possibilities for treating genetic disorders, developing disease-resistant crops, and much more. However, ethical considerations surrounding the use of this technology are crucial and must be carefully addressed to ensure responsible and beneficial applications. Segment 5. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is changing the way we handle data and transactions. Essentially a decentralized digital ledger, blockchain records information across multiple computers, making it transparent, secure, and tamper-resistant. Beyond its association with cryptocurrencies, blockchain has applications in supply chain management, finance, healthcare, and even voting systems. Its potential to eliminate intermediaries and enhance security is truly remarkable. Segment 6 to 3D printing, additive manufacturing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has transformed the way we create objects. By adding material layer by layer based on a digital model, 3D printing enables the production of complex designs with precision. This technology has revolutionized prototyping and manufacturing processes, allowing for cost-effective production and customization. In the future, we might witness 3D printing's impact in personalized medicine, construction, and space exploration. Segment 7. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the network of interconnected devices that can collect and exchange data. From smart homes to smart cities, IoT is enabling seamless communication and automation. With sensors and actuators embedded in everyday objects, we can create a more efficient and connected world. However, ensuring the security and privacy of IoT systems remains a challenge. Conclusion. And there you have it, 7 emerging technologies that are set to shape our future. From the incredible computational power of quantum computing to the potential of 3D printing in revolutionizing manufacturing, these advancements offer exciting possibilities for innovation and progress. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it insightful. In part 2, we will continue exploring the remaining technologies on our list. So stay tuned and let's see you in part 2. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on these technologies, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time in part 2. Bye!